Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to set custom video thumbnails on YouTube Mobile. So how to done this? Just open the YouTube app and go in the profile icon and open your channel's video. So just go on this video and just tap to edit it, and here is the option. You will see this camera icon. This is the custom thumbnail. So just tap to this custom thumbnail and choose it from your gallery which thumbnail photo you will add to this recents. So I will just add it and just tap to this done button and save it, and you will see so video completes. So this is how you will set a custom thumbnail on YouTube. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.